Hi everyone, right, this is one of my micro tutorials, one of these lightning lessons. This is how to play Candy by Paolo Nutini. Lovely, lovely catchy song is this, using 4 chords. Now let me talk you through the chords. A minor, E minor, G, and D7. Okay, and the rhythm that we're looking to get, and that's going to be the order, A minor, E minor, G, D7. And the rhythm that we're going to try and get with that, a rhythm I use all the time, down, down, up, up, down, okay? You can go either side of that and add a little more colour or a little less, depending ability-wise where you're at, but that is your sort of ballpark to try and get around that rhythm if you can. And we're going to do 2 lots of each on each chord. So 2 on the A minor, 2 on the E minor, 2 on the G, 2 on the D7. Now then that just loops and loops and loops. Perched outside in the pouring rain, trying to make myself sail, then float to you, my darling. So that keeps going. Now, that point of the song, the bass line kicks in, it really hits you as the bass. I would recommend playing along at home with the track to this because it's really, really satisfying to play. Now, one quick thing I want to add, right at the very end of the song, maybe the last minute, it slightly changes, 2 C's, 2 G's, then 2 C's, 2 E minors. If you're wondering what part that is, that's where he's singing the I'll be there waiting for you. Keeps going and going and going. Again, if you want the sheet, click the link below, that'll take you to my site and you can have the whole sheet in its entirety so you can follow it at home and play along either with me or with the record. Okay, so A minor, E minor, G, D7, then the bit at the end, C, G, C, E minor. Use that rhythm of down, down, up, up, down, and go away and have lots of fun with it. Please check out my other micro tutorials here on YouTube. Please search the hashtag or just search on my channel the lightning lesson or lightning lessons. You will see them there. Have fun with it. See you again soon. Cheers.